Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. A sleek showroom, the 2025 Lexus RX SUV in a stunning shine brown color. The camera slowly pans around the vehicle, capturing its elegant curves and bold design. The all-new 2025 Lexus RX SUV stands as a masterpiece of luxury and innovation. In this captivating shine brown color, it exudes sophistication, blending power and elegance in a way that only Lexus can achieve. Every angle of this vehicle is designed to command attention, from the bold spindle grille to the sculpted LED headlights that illuminate with precision and style. As the camera moves in closer, the intricate details of the exterior come to life. The metallic paint shimmers under the showroom lights, highlighting the smooth lines that flow seamlessly across the body. The 21-inch alloy wheels add a dynamic presence, complementing the aerodynamic profile that enhances both performance and efficiency. Opening the driver's side door reveals a cabin crafted for ultimate comfort and refinement. The luxurious leather seats, finished in a rich mocha tone, provide an inviting contrast to the exterior. The open-pore wood trims and ambient lighting create a serene atmosphere, making every journey feel like a first-class experience. The spacious interior is designed with both driver and passengers in mind, offering generous legroom and premium materials at every touchpoint. At the heart of the dashboard lies a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with Lexus' latest interface. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an immersive Mark Levinson premium audio system, every ride is an experience in itself. The intuitive controls and voice command functionality ensure that everything you need is just a touch or a simple command away. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus RX delivers an exhilarating yet smooth drive. Equipped with a powerful 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, it produces an impressive 275 horsepower, paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system that provides confidence in any road condition. For those seeking even greater efficiency, the hybrid variant offers a perfect balance of power and fuel economy, ensuring an eco-friendly yet thrilling performance. Driving the Lexus RX is a statement of both style and safety. Lexus' cutting-edge safety system plus 3.0 includes advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that provides a comprehensive view of your surroundings. The intuitive parking assist and automatic emergency braking enhance driver confidence, making every journey secure and stress-free. The rear of the vehicle showcases a striking full-width LED taillight design, adding a modern touch to its timeless appeal. The hands-free power liftgate opens to reveal a spacious cargo area, perfect for road trips, shopping, or everyday convenience. Whether it's a family getaway or a solo adventure, the Lexus RX is built to accommodate your lifestyle with ease. As the camera zooms out for a final look, the 2025 Lexus RX in showroom shine brown stands as a true representation of luxury, performance, and innovation. Its commanding presence, coupled with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled comfort, makes it the ultimate choice for those who demand excellence. Experience the future of luxury SUVs. Visit your nearest Lexus showroom today and discover the 2025 Lexus RX for yourself. We'll see you next video.